Hello everyone, and welcome to JH Official Voice Educators. In today's video, we'll be discussing a critical question: how can you verify whether a transaction is successful on the blockchain? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step understanding of how to confirm any blockchain transaction. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is a blockchain transaction? First, let's quickly understand what a blockchain transaction is. A transaction occurs whenever you send cryptocurrency, execute a smart contract, or perform any action on the blockchain. Every transaction gets recorded on the blockchain, which is a decentralized and secure ledger. However, a transaction isn't considered complete until it's validated and confirmed by the network. Section 2. Transaction hash, TXID. Every blockchain transaction generates a unique identifier called a transaction hash or TXID. This is like a receipt for your transaction and is essential for tracking its status. You can find the TXID in your wallet or the platform you used for the transaction. Section 3. Using a blockchain explorer. To verify your transaction's success, follow these steps. 1. Obtain the transaction hash. Locate the TXID from your wallet or transaction record. 2. Access a blockchain explorer. Open a blockchain explorer relevant to the cryptocurrency you used, such as Etherscan for Ethereum or blockchain.com for Bitcoin. 3. Search the TXID. Enter the TXID in the search bar of the blockchain explorer. 4. Check transaction details. Once the transaction details load, look for status. It should say success or confirmed. Block confirmation. The more confirmations, the more secure the transaction. Generally, 3 to 6 confirmations are considered safe. Sender and receiver addresses. Verify these to ensure the funds reached the correct destination. Section 4. Handling delays or failures. What if your transaction isn't confirmed? Delayed transactions. This might happen if the network is congested or you've used a low transaction fee. In such cases, you can either wait or try increasing the gas fee if the blockchain allows. Failed transactions. A failure might occur due to insufficient funds, invalid addresses, or other issues. Check the error details in the Explorer or contact your wallet provider for support. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can easily verify any blockchain transaction. Always double-check your transaction details before sending to avoid errors. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Educators for more such educational content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay informed.